Urgent hiring for head human resources. Key responsibilities: build a strong leadership and critical talent pipeline while driving end-to-end talent acquisition. Lead organizational design and OKR implementation. Drive change management and organizational transformation initiatives. Lead performance management, talent management, and succession planning. Enhance organizational effectiveness and workforce capabilities. Foster a high performance, collaborative, and people first culture. What they are looking for: 15 years of work experience should be in HR leadership, strong background in manufacturing, industrial engineering, automobile, or allied structures, proven experience in leading large scale HR transformation and business partnering, strategic mindset, and excellent leadership and stakeholder management skill. Location: tier 2 city, close to Delhi NCR. अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं तो अपना रिज्यूमे नीचे दिए गए ईमेल पर भेज के अप्लाई कर सकते हैं। थैंक यू।